Right guys, we're making another video explaining how to dismantle Gtech MK2 model. Right, the first thing you need to do is make sure the filter has been taken out. Flip it over. You have to press this little button up here on the side in order to release the roller bar. And the battery. When you put it upside down, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and almost 20 screws to untie them in order for us to get inside the machine. Once you've removed all the screws from here, I'll flip it over. You'll see it start coming apart itself. As soon as you open this, you will see there's another screw up here. You have to undo that. Right, after the screw is moved from here, this button, there's a lock here. If you see, it's a lock on the either side. So all you have to do is push it into one side, or you can use a flat screwdriver and unlock it. Can you see it's removed from the lock? So when you remove it from one side or either side, it's still kind of stuck inside. It has locks underneath on this side, inside this part. So you have to mess around with it for a second. Or what you can do is, instead of messing around, you can pull it to the right side. And there you go, it releases itself. We need to access the shaft spindle, which is here inside on this side, pushing the rollers through. So moving forward is you have to be very gentle with these paper. This is like LED lights on a paper strip. So when you're taking them off, they're glued. Taking them off, be gentle. So it's a fragile thing, these lights. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we remove the wires which are running along from the switch, which is here, so that we don't damage it while we are removing the spindle. Right, most of the people get stuck on this side, on this part, because they don't know how to take this out. So it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is grip it from here and try to push it and pull it out. The best way to take this mechanism out is to pull it from this side. Just try to keep it sideways and try to grab it from here or from the sides like this. Try to yank it out, but don't put too much force because it's still got motor wires going through, black and red, so you can't fully take it out. So you have to be very gentle with that. Right, so now we've got access to the shaft spindle. All you have to do is remove 2 screw of these,